Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing details of the 2025 Pagani Huayra BC Roadster, a hypercar that redefines engineering, design, and performance. Buckle up as we explore what makes this masterpiece so special. The 2025 Pagani Huayra BC Roadster is a true marvel of automotive craftsmanship. Pagani has always been synonymous with exclusivity and innovation, and this roadster is no exception. Built for those who crave unparalleled performance and artistry, the Huayra BC Roadster embodies the perfect balance between speed and luxury. The exterior is a showcase of aerodynamic brilliance, crafted with lightweight carbon fiber and cutting-edge materials. Every curve, vent, and line has been meticulously designed to optimize airflow while maintaining its distinctive, aggressive look. Under the hood, the 2025 Huayra BC Roadster is powered by an AMG-sourced 6.0-liter V12 engine. This twin-turbocharged beast churns out jaw-dropping horsepower and torque figures, propelling the car from 0 to 60 in mere seconds. It's not just raw power, it's the seamless delivery and precision handling that set this roadster apart. Paired with a lightning-fast X-Track sequential gearbox, the driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. The roar of the engine combined with the open-top design ensures an unmatched connection between the driver and the machine. The interior of the Huayra BC Roadster is where art meets functionality. Pagani has spared no expense in creating a cabin that is both luxurious and performance-oriented. The cockpit features an exquisite blend of leather, alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber, showcasing the brand's commitment to detail. The bespoke seats are designed to provide comfort during high-speed drives while maintaining a sporty edge. Every button, dial, and gauge is a work of art, ensuring that the driver feels like they're piloting a piece of automotive history. In terms of technology, the 2025 Pagani Huayra BC Roadster doesn't hold back. The car is equipped with advanced systems that enhance both safety and performance. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for exceptional handling, providing stability and precision even at extreme speeds. The braking system, developed in collaboration with some of the best in the industry, ensures unmatched stopping power. Pagani has also included customizable driving modes, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance to their preferences and road conditions. What truly sets the Huayra BC Roadster apart is its exclusivity. With only a limited number of units produced, this hypercar is a rare gem. Each one is meticulously handcrafted, ensuring that no two are exactly alike. This level of exclusivity makes the 2025 Pagani Huayra BC Roadster not just a car, but a collector's dream and a symbol of automotive artistry. Owning a Pagani is more than just owning a car, it's an experience. From the bespoke customization options to the unparalleled attention to detail, Pagani ensures that every owner feels like a part of something extraordinary. The Huayra BC Roadster is a testament to what can be achieved when passion, innovation, and artistry come together in perfect harmony. If you're passionate about hypercars and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, make sure to subscribe to Car Updater. Here, we bring you in-depth reviews, updates, and insights into the cars that set the benchmark for excellence. Your support helps us continue delivering top-notch content that fuels your automotive passion. Thank you for watching Car Updater. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you in the next one.